Should you go with Hola Prime Markets as your broker of choice? As you guys know, I reviewed the prop firm, Hola Prime, and we're now reviewing Hola Prime Markets as a broker. We were very impressed with them as a prop firm, so now let's have a look how they weigh up as a broker and see if they are the company that you should choose as your preferred broker. So let's jump on the computer, let's go on their website and we will see what they have to offer. Right guys, we're now over onto their website, so Hola Prime Markets. Yeah, so the number one prop firm in the USA, now regulated CFD broker. That's what we like to see. Upgrade your trading experience. Nice. So their commission is $0. Fantastic. Their leverage is over 2000x. Limited time offer on this. So your micro lot trading is 0.01 and then your stop out 20%. So 20% stop out means trades close only when the margin percentage hits 20, which keeps positions open longer, giving more time to manage trades. Amazing. So as you know, Hola Prime are a really big company in America. They're known globally, but as you can see, they're featured in all of the top publications. You've got, FX Street, Daily Forex and Forbes. So you're in safe hands with a company like Hola Prime. So these are all of the rewards they've won. So obviously they've got their prop firm awards in here, as we saw in our last video, which there was a lot of them. So best newcomer prop firm, best rising star broker. That's a really good reward to grab. So let's have a look at their trading accounts. Choose from the best. Okay. We offer a range of flexible, powerful forex trading account types, from beginner friendly to institutional grade. Always struggle to say that word. So we've got standard, which is their min spreads are 0.8 pips with $0 commission. So this is perfect for beginners and casual traders. Low minimum deposit, commission-free trading, and swap-free options available. Okay, amazing. And you have, obviously, they're most popular when it comes to picking a broker. A lot of people go for raw spread. I know I do. So raw spread, their minimum spreads are 0.0 pips, and their commission is $3. So built for scalpers, algorithmic traders, and strategy intensive professionals. Love that. Ultra low costs, deep liquidity access, and swap free options available. And then you've got the VIP. So what is the VIP? So min spreads, 0.0 pips again. Commission is $1 instead of $3 from the raw spread. So this is best suited for high volume, active traders who want to maximize efficiency through low costs. So here are some of their, amazing benefits of going with someone like Hola Prime. They've got a 1 hour withdrawal. I know in the past when I've dealt with brokers, I've been with a good few now. I've been in the trading game for a while, and there's some brokers that take about a week to pay out your money, and it is the most frustrating period because you're withdrawing the money because you kind of need the money at that time. So it's so handy to be able to just get it instantly and not have to wait around, days or weeks for it. Here you get it with 1 hour, which is incredible. So 100% transparency, completely transparency in every trade with real-time market data, fair pricing, and no hidden fees. That was a massive benefit of their prop firm, is how transparent they are. They're not there to take advantage of you. They're there to look out for you as a trader and help you and guide you through the markets. So yeah, amazing stuff. So you got 2000x leverage as well. So maximize your trading potential with industry leading leverage up to 1 to 2000 on major currency pairs and trading instruments. That is huge. Industry leading 2000x leverage. That is unheard of. Well, it is unheard of. It's industry leading. So yeah, another huge benefit. So you got a stop out shield. 20% stop out shield. So all our account types feature a 20% stop out, meaning trades only close when equity hits 20% of the used margin. Okay. Trusted by global traders and world-class customer support 24/7. That's what we like. you're in a spot of trouble, look at the bottom right, you've got your live chat and you can speak to these people in person and you can get the help you need. I've changed clothes and it is now daytime. What's happened? So no, I'm just adding this section into the video, guys, because I went over this comparison table to their competitors and they've only recently updated it. So I wanted to make sure I have the latest information on this video for you guys. So it's all updated now. So let's go through it. So the variables are, your deposits, withdrawals, stop out, leverage, bonus, free VPS, execution speed, deposit fee, reimbursement, affiliate program, and transparency fee, 24/7 customer service. So Hola Prime for deposits is instant, easy deposits available. Their withdrawals, one of my favorite benefits of Hola Prime Markets is, 1 hour fastest times to withdraw your money. So your money's not held up anywhere. You can access it really quickly if needed. So others, takes about 1 to 2 days. If, it's even worse than that, most of the times. Like I've mentioned, I've had bad experiences where I haven't got my money in weeks. So yeah, Hola Prime, a massive benefit that is having your money withdrawn quickly. Stop out is 20% at Hola Prime Markets, where others is 50%. Leverage unlimited with Hola Prime, limited with others. Bonus, you get a special deposit bonus with Hola Prime, which is great. Normally other companies don't offer bonuses. This is another great thing about Hola Prime Markets is they give you an ultra reliable free VPS access, which, to be fair, I haven't seen that in the market. So huge benefit once again. So like they say, other brokers, you get no VPS and high latency. So yeah, it's really good. Execution speed, 10 milliseconds to 50 to 85. So once again, they're fast. Execution speed is good, which is important when you're trading. So that is great. So deposit fee reimbursement. So yes, on all deposits with Hola Prime Markets, where others have no reimbursements offered. Affiliate program, Hola Prime have got a really, highly rewarding affiliate program, which is great if you are someone that wants to share your link to friends and family to also get them signed up, and you will make some nice commission based off that. So with Hola Prime, as we know, they're very transparent. So they've got no hidden fees on deposits or withdrawals, which is amazing. Where a lot of other firms, they will have hidden fees, especially on withdrawals. They will take a small cut of the money that you've made, your hard-earned money. So it's good that there is no hidden fees with Hola Prime Markets. Hola Prime Markets have some of the best customer service, and I can firsthand say that. I have had nothing but great communication from Hola Prime Markets whenever I've needed them. Superb customer service. They're always there to give a helping hand. Whereas, other brokers, sometimes it's really hard to even speak to a human, which is terrible, which I hate. Especially when you're dealing with big sums of money. You want to talk to a person, not an AI robot. So it's really key for me to have a physical person to speak to if I need help. So how would you get started? Obviously just register. There's no paperwork, no hassle, quick and easy. Any deposit, and then you can start your trading, your FX, your CFDs, or, whatever. So they've got their payment partners here, so you can, pick whatever kind of payment they offer here. Easy withdraw your profit via global gateways, so you can, you can get crypto, which I would prefer these days. Great thing is they've actually got their own app as well that you can get from the App Store, which is amazing. It's always nice to have an app on your phone. We can easily access your account. So I'm just going to go and have a look at the platforms they have to offer. So we've got Hola Prime Markets app. So they've got their own application, which we've just talked about just then. So they've got Hola Prime Markets app, trade on the go, anytime, anywhere. So not only, do they offer MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, but you can actually use their own app to trade. So power to trade anywhere. Life doesn't pause for the markets, and now your trading doesn't have to either. The Hola Prime Markets app puts the power of the markets right in your pocket. Whether you're at your desk, on the move, or relaxing at home, you can trade, manage funds, and track opportunities just a few taps, which is amazing. to have their own app, I think that's very unique as well. You know, and it looks clean as well, just from this image they've put on here. So you've got, you know, 150 plus assets you can trade in one app. So you can trade forex, indices, commodities, metals, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, all from one platform, which is crazy good. User-friendly interface, and you can see that just even by looking at that image. It looks very user-friendly, looks great. Seamless deposit and withdrawals, direct trading on charts, secured transactions, and 24/7 trading. And like I mentioned, you don't have to use their own trading platform or their trading app. You can actually use, you know, your Meta 4s, your Meta 5s. Yeah, so you've got a few options there. You don't have to use theirs, but personally, I would probably prefer to use their own app, just because of the way it looks. It looks so clean. It looks really nice. Obviously, everyone is used to using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. It's just, you know, been the go-to for a long time. But, you know, to have a nice user-friendly look of an app which you can trade on as an alternative, I would opt in for that. So I'm just over here on the trading conditions, going over the spreads and swaps. So as we know, the spreads can go as low as 0.0 pips, with the average Euro USD spread around 0.1 pips among the lowest industry wide. So they've got one of the lowest industry wide, you know, for spreads, which is so important for us traders. It really, really is. You can sign up to some of these brokers who really, really do you in with their spreads. So this is so important. I can't stress this enough. And Hola Prime, they offer industry, one of the lowest industry-wide spreads. So for me, complete no-brainer, and I will be using Hola Prime Markets as my preferred broker. So that was Hola Prime Markets. Let me know what you thought, guys. I think they look unbelievable. And I am currently in the progress of shifting all of my personal funds into a Hola Prime Markets account, and I will be using them as my broker of choice because I think what they have to offer is so much better than what I currently have. So I'm not going to say what company I'm with at the moment, but if I'm just looking at what they offer, it's just, you know, so much better. If you want to check Hola Prime Markets out, click the link below. So they currently do have a 15% welcome bonus at the moment. So when you make a deposit of a minimum $100, you get 15% welcome bonus. So claim that now by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment, and you get that automatically added onto your account when you sign up. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bit of a switch up from doing prop firm reviews. I'm also going to be introducing broker reviews, and Hola Prime really caught my eye, so that's why I'm doing this now. So yeah, leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.